Hello and welcome. We are now inside of ChatGPT, and you may have already used Deep Research in ChatGPT to go beyond your regular query. And when you do that, typically, you are going to have to cut and paste that information into a new document. ChatGPT has now made it easy to take your Deep Research reports and then to export them to a document that you can share. Now, the Deep Research report is now placed inside of a Canvas doc in ChatGPT. Now, you can still cut and paste the entire document into a new word processing document. However, what you can now do is you can export your document to a PDF file. What we're going to do is scroll to the very top of this document, and then we're going to export it as a PDF file. We're going to come to the top of the document inside of Canvas. You are then going to click on this download button, and you're going to click on the download button. You will then see that you have either a share link or you can click the download PDF button. We're going to click on the download PDF button. What's important to note about the document is that even though it doesn't necessarily look like it is, the document is hyperlinked. So when you click on the links in the document and you click on the numbers or the footnotes, you will then be able to go to the specific websites referenced in the ChatGPT Deep Research report. So when you share the document or you move it to another platform, you will be able to visit the individual links that were used to compose the Deep Research report. Okay, with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.